What's up, guys? Let's do an GitHub here. What was the project called again? Zenify. Okay, let's do that. Zenify. And let's open that somewhere else because I don't have a lot of space. Okay, about here. Zenify. Okay. Open with code. Great. Yeah, so it's been a while. We've been working a lot behind the scenes, but as I called it, my dog was sick, so yeah, we definitely needed to work on some stuff, right? So that's why you haven't seen me around. Okay, yes, I tossed the others. Okay, let's use the GitHub desktop this time. Uh, let's go to a different one. Branch repository. Can I go add clone repository? Okay. Filter repository. Pipe dream tests. Okay. Did I actually push it to GitHub? That is the real question. Because I don't see it. It seems so that I did it. So this is the one. It's few. I forgot that it's few. Sorry, I cannot find this. Okay. We couldn't find that repository. Check that you're logged in, the network is successful, and the error alias is spelled correctly. Well, let's first commit. I don't care about this project, it's secret, so. But let's see if it's added to that. So let's go to this one. I did it, added the env. That's not this env. Okay. Show more. The bureau. It's not this one. Bureau full, maybe. Empty. I'm not sure which one is connected. How it's called? The bureau current repository. Oh, maybe because I'm logged in with a different GitHub. I think that is the problem here. Push, but we'll see. Let's push it. Orbit. Okay, 2 days ago. Okay, two commits. So it's not this one. Okay, so let's go to the other GitHub then. GitHub. Please be logged in. Great. Okay. Bureau for version. The other one. Updated now. That's very bad. That's very bad. Luckily, this is secret. Yeah. All right. Options. clone repository. Oh, I need to be logged in for that. I don't want to. You can update your global GitHub collaborations. Can I log out though? View on GitHub. Let me see. Progress rules, repository, edit, new repository. Okay, this doesn't do anything. Open Git settings. Can I just log out? Yeah. Okay, sign in to GitHub. Continue your browser. Okay. Authorize desktop. Okay. This is not like an official GitHub, so you can do whatever you like, but it's not this. So now you know. Yeah, let's go to repositories and let's go to um, I need to clone repository. What is it called again? I forgot. Okay, orbitverse. It's called orbitverse. You see it with an O? I don't see it. Orbit. Okay, not here. So open in GitHub and it's called Curry Lab. Okay, so let's do that. Curry Lab. Let's open that and let's clone that. Great. And current repository. I'm not sure where it actually is, so let me check. Where is the repository? Add local repository. Okay, so let's do that. Give me a second. Let's go here and let's go. No, it's here and let's go. Studywithme. Select folder. Add repository. This actually does not appear in Git repository. Would you like to create a Git repository? Yes. Okay. Studywithme, git ignore, no, license, no. Okay. Great. So it should open here then. Probably should get it. This is currently only available by a local machine. Wait. Clone repo. Curry lab. This contains files. Git can only done in empty folders. Yeah, but I just did that. Oh, I see. Yeah, okay, I see. So let's delete that one. So, yeah. Oh, because of the other program? Okay, that's fine. Studywithme B. Okay, that's okay. Clone. And then let's go to that project. Give me a second, guys. I will answer soon. Okay, great. Now we have it open here. Let's see how it looks like. Npm and run dev. Package JSON is available. Awesome. Okay, feed is not recognized. So pmi then. Then I can delete the other stuff. Yeah, let's see. So this is our project. I'm gonna show you soon. in the browser. Give me a second, guys. Okay, ignore it. ES build, that's fine. Run dev. Okay. Let's see how it looks. Okay. So we have a lot of things done already. There are a couple of mistakes that we can fix. Let's see how everything is maybe working. Download page is also here. Okay, so we should work first and compare. So okay, here you see that it's a full width, so this should not be in a container. So let's actually fix that. So Control B. Let's put that one here. Oh, we cannot see it like this. Okay, I'm gonna put my code here then on the side. Okay, so let's work on that. So basically what's going on here is that we need to make this a full width and no margin. So let's go to, maybe it's called hero or something, hero view, and let's check out the code. Okay. Okay, I see there's a mistake. Quant hero should also be a multiple. Yeah, we're not working on that. Okay, section flex py8. That doesn't matter. Overflow hill and background white. Okay. Header section. New dashboard. Okay, so it is something like this. Width full. MX auto. I think this one is the problem. Let's go to localhost. This one. Okay, so that doesn't matter. Padding top, padding top, padding top. PX large X. Okay, let's see. Okay, so that doesn't matter. Okay, I'm looking for it, right? So let's go here then, and let's go to this isn't really useful. I just want to go to app then. Is there app? App.view. Okay, router view. Okay, let's go to router view. Okay, that doesn't matter. Okay. This template ID uses view router for navigation. Okay. About stats. Views about. Okay. How about here? About career contact download features home. Okay. So we are here. Min age screen. Background white. Okay. So what does this mean? It means 100 view width. Let's do width full. See how it looks. Okay, that doesn't uh, do anything. Let me think about it. Let's see the navigation. What's going on here? Fix stop. Okay, no, it's really in the hero section. Yeah. About hero. Okay, just normal hero. Yeah. Okay. Um, relative flex goal. PY8. Background container. Relative width full. Max width. Think. I think this one. MX auto. This one. Okay. There's also padding, which is a PY of 8. We can do PY bottom of 8. Okay. And we have a rounding. Where is the rounded? Flux core either center, min and void screen, relative W full, rounded to XL. No way. Okay. So let's compare. Okay, so we have a coffee here, object cover. Um, Object cover. Okay. Okay, good to know. Is there predefined width is 1400? I don't want that. Why? Oh, okay. Because of this. That should not be defined. Okay, so there's a lot of issues here. I see. And let's fix that. And I think the best thing to fix now is to go to the text. So, uh, wait, let me close this one here. And let's go to this browser, this site, and let's go here. So I can chat with you a little bit, guys, right? So, uh, run dev. Okay, great. So we're gonna compare to the real one. Seems that the text is also bigger. There's a more padding here, so we can work on that. Is this something we can work on here on the future section? I don't think so. It looks fine. Um, so yeah, let's work on this padding on this side, like with the framer template and those kinds of stuff. So, okay, so let's go here. Let's go to the framer template. So new dashboard, framer template, and we have here the background. And it says padding right of 4. I think it can be padding right of 6, to be honest. Let's see how it looks. How about padding 5? Okay, that looks pretty similar. I'm not gonna do something about the text, but yeah, it could be bigger, but that doesn't matter now. Okay, let's work on the other text then. So, rejuvenate your workplace. Text white, text center, font inter. Okay, leading tight, font semi-bold. Well, it can be bold, right? So that's the first thing. Actually, it can be black as well. I think it can be black even. Yeah, and it can also be bigger. So let's see for Excel. I think maybe even 6XL then in that case. Okay, it's not doing that. Oh, I see why. Okay, because of this one, large text 5. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, so it immediately increases. And it says leading tight. I will do leaning normal. Actually, let's do no leading at all. No, I need leading. Okay. Leading. Yeah, I'm not sure what the best is. Leading 3. Okay, how about 5? Okay, that's an issue. Am I at the right one though? Is it reflecting? Yes, it is. Okay. Um, let's do 7. Text 7 Excel. Okay, so that is working. Then why is the leading not working? Okay, leading 100%. Okay, what if I do like 150%? What will happen? Okay, it's not responding. I'm not sure why that is. I have to think about that. Oh, because of the block, I think that is the issue. And then let's do 250. And instead of having a div, let's make it h1 and wait, this one. Okay, let's make it an h1. Uh, yeah, okay. Then we do a br and then something like this. What's the matter? It's not good. Oh, yeah, I need to do two classes in that case. Yeah, I forgot about that. Okay, let's work on that. Class, not console object. Okay. Okay. Just a BR. Did I break it? Ah, I see. Okay. Okay. I already see that there should be no tags because it's in an H1. Didn't see that before. So let's see here. Okay. Okay. Replace your workplace. And then I'm gonna do the same H1 as, you know what? I do it like this. Okay. And then, great. Let's see. Okay, the leading doesn't matter now. Let's just do BR. Okay, the BR is a little bit too strong. So in that case, I'm gonna do a padding bottom of 4. Let's see how it looks. How about a 6? I think 5 is perfect. 5 is a little bit too strong. 4. What a difference. Okay, how strong is 4? 3.8 pixels. Okay, so let's do 5 pixels then. Let's do 7 or 8 pixels. Let's see. Yeah, that's fine. A problem here is a text size. So let's increase this text size to 6XL. And there seems to be a problem here that you can only do a certain text increase. We don't want that. So how much is 5? 48. So let's do 52 pixels. Let's see. Okay, so this one is too strong. How about 50? 50 is a problem? Ah, I'm destroying the whole part. Because if I'm saying with full here, what is holding it back? Let's see, because it's annoying me. Okay, what it's holding back? Uh, let's remove the responsive mode. So what is holding it back? There's a certain stuff here. Okay, relative. Okay. Oh, I see. It's deeper. Because of MX Auto, max to XL. That's the problem. Okay, let's see where it is. Mm, let's do 3. Great. Then we can make this bigger. 56, both of them. Great. And then we can increase the gap by 6. Doesn't work. Okay. Oh, because of this one. Okay, let's do 16. 24. No. Okay. 32 then. Better. Because it's bigger, I'm gonna decrease the black to bold. Okay. So there's a certain gap here. PX, we can just do PX4 to be honest. Doesn't work. Why not? Ah, it's a bit annoying because I don't know where it comes from. Okay. Let's go to the one with the MX Auto again. Gap 16. How about gap 12? Gap 8 maybe. Ooh, no, way too strong. 12 is too strong. How about gap 10? Okay, gap 10 is the way. Okay, gap 11. I'm not sure if it exists. It does. So why does 12 jump? It jumps significantly. 48 pixels. And this one is 9.5 pixels. That's crazy. Not sure what's going on here. There must be a bug. Okay, and then in that case, I will do my own. Okay, I think 32 is the perfect size here. Okay, looks good, looks good, looks good. Okay, so let's compare to the real app. The real app has a little bit of a bigger text. I'm not gonna change that necessarily. Let's work on this one. I see there's a little bit of stuff here. Yeah, let's work on a dashboard. Let's see the name of the dashboard. It is called banking dashboard application. Okay, banking dashboard application. Okay, so this one. It says max. This one, I'm gonna say max 6. Okay, that makes it already bigger. So his is a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna do 7. Okay, I think 6 is fine. Let's do 6 and then it looks fine. Okay, so we have a little of a shadow issue here. I'm not sure where it's coming from. I see here, shadow. Okay. Okay, that removes the shadow entirely. And then we have the first part done. That looks pretty good. Close to the app. Let's push it. So let's make a comment. Um, well, we're using GitHub desktop now, so we might as well. So updated PM and fixed hero section. Okay, that's the summary. Okay, yeah, let's commit and let's push. Now let's fetch that from the software that we are currently using. Let's see where it is. I don't see it open. That's fine. So let's go to builder.io. Go to app. And let's fetch that. So let's go here. Okay. Okay, it's connecting. Let's select stream. Okay, it's done. Sync from main. So we see the fixes here. Awesome. So we have a problem with the these images. Okay, we need to fix the navigation, but we're gonna do that a little bit later. And we have a gap fix here with these ones, but we'll fix that later. That's not important now. Wait, can I fix it now? Let's see. So if I go to design, right? I haven't used the design yet. So can I just say, because it has a, okay, let's lower that one. Yeah, let's lower that to 4 pixels. Awesome. Great. How does it look on mobile? Apply visual changes. Oh, does it use okay. No, if that is the case, I won't use that one. So let's switch without saving. Else we need to do everything at the same time, right? And I'm not sure if that is a good idea at the moment. So uh, so what we're gonna do then, in that case, we have here these logos. Let's see if we can save them. So we're gonna go to the application here. We're gonna go lower and we're gonna see if they are here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is an issue. We cannot just save them here. So we actually need to save them each. Is that possible? No, it's not clickable. Maybe I have it in my Figma. So I will check. Let's go to Figma. Let's go to the app here. Okay. So we have the logos here. Okay, can I export all the logos? Let me see what's going on. Section main, section. Okay, I just want to see the logos. List, item, company logo. Okay, there are like many logos. Okay, how are we gonna deal with that? Okay, export container. Let's see how it looks. Okay, they put it in one go. That's not good news. Are there SVGs? I only did one SVG, right? Yeah. This is an issue. Um, Asset grabber website images. Okay, let me see. Images extractor. Okay. Let's see what we have. We use many different methods. Okay. Okay. There are many. This is actually pretty useful. Okay. Okay, the logos are here. Oh, amazing. That's amazing. I hope I can just save it for free and not go crazy. Let's see. Download selected. Oh, that's so good. Oh, I love this. Extract here. Logo one. Uh, social one. Okay, let's name them and let's then export them. Okay, let's do that real quick. Social 3. Social 4. Social 5. Social 6. Ah, clicked on it. Social 7. Social 8. Social 9. Okay, so there are 9 logos. Okay, let's get them all. Oh, did I duplicate it? Yeah, accidentally. Okay, I'm gonna grab them and then let's extract them to the project. Okay, let's go here. I'm not sure where it renders the images, but we'll find out now. Okay, not in the assets folder. But in that case, I will okay. Awesome. But instead of that, while we're at it, while we have the images, let's go to that website actually, because it was pretty good. Okay. Select all. When it says all, does it also means all? Yes, it means all. This one, all. Okay. Select that. That's a lot of shit. Okay. So that worked. And yeah, we're gonna delete these ones. And this is the big one, right? Let's see. Okay, this is the big one. At least we have the images. Why is this so fucking huge? Oh, is this in bytes? I hope so. Anyways. Alright. Uh, well, while we're here, we might as well replace the banking one. Right? So every time when we go there, we might change something. So let's go here. Let's go to this one. Let's find it. Okay, it's a dashboard. What dashboard is this? Not sure. Let's check the size. Not of mine app, but the other app. Okay, so let's check the size. The size is down to 1024. Okay, so there's no real sizing, I see. That's fine. Is it all the same? Yes, it is. I'm gonna use this hero image 1. Okay, so something with an H, hero image 1. We're gonna go to the project. Where's the project? Project is here. And we're gonna change the hero image 1 for that one. So let's close these. What do you wanna change the home? Sure. Okay. So let's go to hero. Instead of this source, we're gonna say hero image 1 dot png. Hero image maybe? No, like this. What's the problem? Assets. Really? Okay, that works fine, right? Oh, it's showing the whole image. And this one is a cutoff image. Oh, that's a good one. Uh, I did not know that with the other ones. Okay, I have to check for a half cut image for the dashboard. Okay, half cut image. Yes, but this one has backgrounds. Okay. Let's see. Okay. They're all not half cut. That's not good. So let's go to this website and let's see. AFIF file. Okay, that's fine. Okay. And we're gonna say hero image. Okay. Let's go here. Let's cut this one so we can go to the other one. So hero image, and then let's do this one. Okay. Does it reflect? It doesn't. Let's see how the other image handled that. Width is okay. Okay. Let's then go to the folder. This one. Okay. And oh. Where? Oh, I need to save it. Yeah. Okay. No, it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna say hero image. Okay, great. Let's go to the code and let's change it to um, let me think. Assets and then hero image. Great, works for me. Then we can delete this one and also delete that one. Okay, great. Okay, we have the images here, and I think it's time for a prompt. So let's do the prompt. I see here there's an image, it'll also be multi-word. I don't want to, I actually want to ignore that later. No, let's do that now. Okay. Uh, no, that's not what I wanted. Okay. Uh, great. Terminate. Okay, looks good. Now let's go to the GitHub desktop because we are using that currently. We're gonna update that. What does it say? Uh, ignore. Okay. Okay, image. Okay, let's push that. Let's go to the builder and let's work on the visual editor. So let's sync from main. Okay, and I'm gonna give it a prompt. Now I first want to see what it actually is. Stats, maybe? Nah. About journey. What does it say? Top business to rely on. Okay, let's see where we can find that. Okay, features page. Okay, Y section. Pricing, features, home, contact, download, views, hero, CTA section, download, change log, download hero, contact form, CTA, career jobs, career hero, advantages section, stats section, journey section, about section, career section, oh, company section. And let's see, we have lorem ipsum here. Okay, so career section. Uh, career. Oh, what is it called? Company section. Okay, sorry. Devices and the logos are in the assets folder. Logo. Okay. What are the names? Social 1299 SVGs. Okay. So this is something that they can work on. Um, yeah, we're just gonna take it a little bit chill, right? Like we're not so let's see if it's actually gonna work. Looks good. What does it say? Across what? Infinite loop works fine. Okay, let's reflect that to the real app. Looks fine. Yes. Okay, the real app also has these big gaps. Okay, so that's good. Let's push that to GitHub. And let's no idea. I'm not gonna worry about it. Git fetch. Let's see if it actually pushed, yeah. Git fetch, git pull. Let's reflect that. Works fine, work like magic. Okay. I don't think I need to change a lot of things here. I think we can install Linus scroll soon, but it's not too important. Okay, this one works. Okay, we had a little bit of an issue here. I see. So what is, okay. Wait, I'm comparing to the different. Luckily I saw that. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's compare. So what is this section? Does it look the same? Kinda. The images are a little bit bigger, but it's not a real issue, in my opinion. Okay, this one is an issue, though. Okay, let's see. This one is fine. These ones are not. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace these images, but before we do that, as advanced analytics features. Okay, that's how it's called. So it's gonna be something with features section. So let's see. Advanced analytic features. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. Let's close this one. Also this one. Okay. So there's a certain issue here with the images, which are these ones. So let's look for customize card. Customize card. Okay. This is the alt. This is the image. Width full, age, height 60, object contain. Okay, what if I remove this? Let's see what happens. Okay, that is an easy fix. I like that. So we can also do with all three. That's an easy fix. Okay, now we have a issue with the text. It seems that it's overflowing, and that is because the way it's set up. Okay, because of that height issue. Found it immediately, that's good. Awesome. Okay, so we have a little bit of an issue here with the sizing. And that is the last card. It's also wider, but the whole thing is wider. Do I care? That's the question. Because if this one is wider, I have to also make this one wider. That's fine. Then we have to go to the top, and there's probably like a max 5 width. Let's make it 6 width. And then we have this one. That's way better. But then we have to do it also uh, for this one. Okay, let's do that immediately before I forget. Um, how's it called? Enhancing business owner, exploring the process of product analysis. Something with a product maybe. Let's actually, view actually gives what file we're looking at, so that's pretty handy. Advantages section. Okay. Alright, like this. We're gonna change this width also to 6.1, and then it should solve that issue. And the images also resizes. Now we have this issue that these two are not connecting, and it seems that mine have shadow. It's not a big deal that I don't want to change. Um, but we do have a text issue and we do have this issue. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do these ones, but we'll see. We can do that, but uh, I don't feel like it, to be honest. Okay. So it seems that there's like a min width that we can apply for each card. So let's do that. So uh, yeah, let's go to the other one then. Okay, which thing are we? Okay, future section. Great. And let's do customize card and let's see. Customize card. Um, it doesn't say anything about. Okay, it says something about the height. I want the height to be at least 300 pixels. Let's see what happens. But there's also a gap. So let's think about that. Where the gap actually here is. Okay, there's a gap of 5. Is there a gap inside? Or like a padding inside? With the card and those kinds of stuff. So center with full. I don't see a padding, to be honest. Margin, no padding. Maybe on the top. Okay, there seems to be a padding. Let's remove this padding. Let's see what happens. Okay, yeah, now it can use some padding. Okay, so that's not the issue here. Um, let me read. Flex 1, flex call, okay. Justify center, justify center. Item center. There's still a gap. Let's see what comes from. Okay, so this one has some kind of PY2. That's also not the part. The image is also not the problem. Where's it coming from? Okay, this one. Height is 300 pixels. I see. So that pushes it down. So I should refer back to 64. Okay, so that is not the issue. Now let's go back and let's compare it to the real one. Okay, there's enough space that we can work with. But now we have to set the width of the whole card. So let's see if we can find a height here. So let's type in H, shadow, okay. So there's no height. So let's do height 500 pixel. Let's see. Okay, that creates some space. Let's do 450. That's pretty narrow, but it's the same. And it's theirs is also a bit wider. So, but we have, I think, width full. So let me see. We have no width set. Okay, let's do width full. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't matter. Because of the padding, it doesn't matter. Let's do padding of 2. Let's see how it looks. Would that solve the issue? Nah, I really need to set the width. Um, let's do 300 pixels. Oh, yeah. I'm doing it fine. Okay, 500. Let's see. Okay, that doesn't matter. It's not this one. Anyways, let's put in the height for every card. So where did I put it? Okay. Let me just check a case again. Let me just do 600. If it only affects the first one. Yes, it does. Great. Mm. So I want to look for the next iteration of this one, so I'm gonna do the search. Okay. Let's. That was an accident. Oh shit. I'm editing the wrong ones. Okay. So, twee, 3, 4. Hmm. Okay, that one is not skipped. So, this one is not skipped. This one. That's the wrong one. Okay, so skip. This one has. So it's skipping one. It's skipping this one. Okay, I think that is the issue. It's missing a lot of classes as well. So I'm gonna copy those classes. So we fix that one. So there's no mistake. Okay. I'm not sure how it's gonna look on mobile yet. Let me make it narrower because I said, what the hell? Bro, come on. What? Okay. Doesn't look too bad. Yeah. Okay. We're fixing that later. Those are not important right now. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much fixed. Oh yeah, we have the icons that we need to fix and play the video. Does it play the video though? Okay. Not yet. Okay. pricing plans. Okay, so the pricing plans comes first. We have the pricing plans here. So that should not be. The order is wrong. Let's go to home. And we have pricing plan. That should be this one. So now this one comes here before this one. Okay, so we have an issue here as well, which is the height of both of them, and it is the padding. So let's go to the pricing section and let's figure out each card. Price content, basic plans, pricing plans. Okay, pricing plans, some text, blah blah blah. Okay. So you're gonna have a height of 600 pixels. Let's see how that looks. Doesn't respond. Did I save it? Okay, good to know. Is there any other height that's preventing that? Oh, it's a price content. Okay, no, we need to, yeah, put it somewhere else. Uh, Header basic plan. Okay, height should be 600. Not working. Okay, good to know. Maybe here. Okay, it does work. Maybe because this one. Yeah, it can. Okay, yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this one, and this one also has a height of 600. 600 pixels. Awesome. Uh, this one. Let's go to the next one. This one. Height 600 pixels. Okay. So now it needs some spacing, right? But I'm gonna let the AI do that real quick. So I'm gonna say to the AI, because else it's too much trouble. Let me see. There's also a little bit spacing here I can fix. The heights of the cards are 600 pixels. Make sure that each card content uses that space well, especially after the text feature could use that room. Okay. So let's see if AI can figure that out. Okay. It didn't. That was a waste of time. Okay. Not exactly. The points with the orange checkmark and text could use the space. Okay. Some AIs just get it, and some AIs do not. So this AI is a little bit more dumb. This is Google Gemini, but I think Claude would have figured it out. And it really depends. So some AIs you have to be very specific and doesn't add anything, and some AIs do the exact opposite. They add more things. Okay, there's an issue. Um, I know what the issue is. The text after the fe uh, word feature in the cars could use more space between use could use more space between use it, and we're gonna use a different AI for this. Let's do Claude. Let's go to enter product. We're not gonna use Claude Code like the new stuff. We're just gonna do the old school. I think the little rate limits should let's see if it can edit. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is fine by me. Okay, I see that the popular section with the pro plan. So let's close the AI. The popular with the pro plan. So pro Control F, pro plan, plan. Okay, here. We have item start, heading and badge, item center, justify between. Doesn't respond as I would. Okay, give me a second. Not sure which one it is, so it says heading and badge, but it could be the second one. Let's see. Okay, it's not this one. Let's try this one. Okay, not responding, then I have to look it up. Give me a second. So what I'm gonna do then, where is it? Text orange, text center, okay, here. With the gap 4, items gap 4, so it's this one. And that doesn't work. Oh, because it's the next one? Maybe it's this one? Oh, this one? Not responding. Uh, oh, did I do it wrong? Text orange. Okay, here. Div flex H7. Okay, let's not be mistaken. It must be this one. And it doesn't work. Uh, Maybe because there's a gap here. And aha, I see. Flex padding bottom 0, gap 4, flex goal item start. So it is this part. Where did I lose it again? God damn it. Okay. Okay, this one. And we're gonna see if we can do justify between, because if we can, we have a bug somewhere. Justify content. Where is it? Space between. Go. So that's not responding. That's not good. So maybe there's no. This one is on top. Hmm. I'm not sure where the bug is. The bug should be here. With the heading and badge, the flex of height of 28, padding bottom of 0, item center. What if I remove this? Okay, so that's not the issue. So it's definitely an issue here. So let's do justify center. I'm just doing something. Okay, that doesn't matter. Very interesting because this is the only place that it should. So I'm doing something either with relative or absolute, or I'm using something that should not be used. Like something is preventing it, like maybe this thing, right? And then, for example, we can do justify between here. I'm not sure it's gonna work. That's very interesting. So the gap does work. So if I do gap 24, that does work, right? But you don't want to do that because that creates issues. Okay. Let's read then. What if I remove this gap? What happens? Okay. That's crazy. I'm not sure what's preventing it. Flex 1, flex goal. I just had width full. Okay, awesome. Okay, the height is 600. Let's go to the header. Flex 5, padding bottom, flex goal. Yeah, makes sense. Item start. Yes, makes sense. Gap full, width full. Okay. Flex goal. Item start. Gap. Damn it. Flex 87. Item start. Item center. And then justify between. It does not do the justify between. Like it's something attached or something. That's really weird. Justify center. Okay. Okay, I give up on that one because I don't want to debug for too long. So because I don't have the time to like I'm not on the job, right? I'm speeding up, right? Um, pricing section, and we're gonna say I want justify, but uh, to have space between not gap uh, for the pro plan text and popular and popular text. Okay. Nice try. Uh, uh, okay. Nope. Yeah, it's failing miserably. Uh, no, it needs to be at the popular needs to be at the other end. It's funny that AI is also struggling with this. Okay, I'm gonna give some image because like this. Does it have trouble? Jesus Christ, what a choke. It's just breaking it. What a BS. Never mind. What we can do, sorry, not need to be here. Not even here. It's like they're stuck. That sucks. That really sucks. Uh, I don't want to change the whole thing, really. Like I've been struggling with it too much. I don't care, really. Okay. Okay. Does it look similar? So this is my app. This is their. Oh wait. Have I been looking at the wrong one? No, I haven't. I haven't. I haven't. Okay, that would be worrisome. No, I haven't. Okay. Okay. There seems to be a background issue or no? No. Okay. Okay. Why choose Zenify? Okay. Okay, the button is a little bit of an issue. So let's go to the Y section. So why choose Zenify? Text for is what call gap. Okay, so I need a padding X of 2. How about padding X of 6? Okay, that is. Oh wait, I'm doing the wrong one. Okay. Play video. Leading 6 font. Font instrument text base. Gap 2. And this is the span, and this is the text. Okay. Padding Y, px4, px6. I'm fine with this. Okay. Is there anything else? It seems that mine is a bit smaller. So let's work on that image. It says H auto. Let's do width 120%. Uh, no, let's do width full and height. Let's remove the height auto. Okay. Let's remove both height auto. So let's see what happens. Okay, that doesn't. Okay, let's in that case. Okay, it's because of the height auto, and we don't want to have height auto, to be honest. Okay, and S is correct with this one. Let's do 170. Let's see. Okay, just let's do an aspect ratio instead. Aspect video. Okay, that doesn't work. 16. I'm not sure if this is the correct one. No, that's not gonna work. But then I need to do object cover. And I see. Where is it? God damn it. I forget about this. Okay. Let's not do that. Let's just do width full then. Okay, awesome. Okay, so we have a little bit of an issue here with these SVGs. And I have no idea where the SVGs are. Yeah, some of them just don't give any display, so that's a little bit a difficult thing. What would be useful? Okay. I see that I deleted that tab. Yeah, okay. Well, in that case, hmm, let's open a new one and let's go to downloads. Choose another app. Cannot read it. Okay. More apps. I need the photo studio. Let's go. Okay. I won't be able to find this just photo viewer. Okay. This one? If you don't see the device list, okay. God damn it. You know what we are doing? Give me a second. I'm just gonna open always with this app with a notepad. That's fine. And we're gonna go to, if it's open, actually, Figma. Great. What are you doing? Okay. Wait, what am I doing? I already have them. Uh, let's open them with Microsoft, all of them. Is this the one? Oh, that's concerning. That's concerning. Okay, so the lower I go, so it should be here. Okay, this is an X. Okay, now the best way to deal with this effort is to use Sigma here. So I'm not sure if I can do it like this. Let's see how that looks. Does not look how I thought it would look. So then in that case, okay, so this is the clock. A clock is the second one. Okay, and this one is different. If this is the clock, what would it be this? Okay, this is the check mark. Okay, that means that they are randomized. That's not good. It's a kind of an SVG viewer Windows 10. Yeah, I really don't want to download that app, to be honest. Okay. opens with photos. Like how, where does this photo app come from? That's the question. Because here it says photo viewer, but it's nothing like this. Okay. Let's think about it. Okay, open file it in Windows 10 and use the photos. It's not listed. Where is the location? Windows apps. Okay, let's try that then. Then I'm learning something new on the fly, so let's do that. Okay. Windows apps. Windows mail photo viewer. I don't see it, chatty. Oh, no. Yes. Show apps folder. I see. Let's see if I can push it here, like creating even a better shortcut. Doesn't work. What does it say? You can open the user's program. Okay. No worries. Okay. With a P. Photos. Oh, P. T. R. P. R. Photos. Okay. Great shortcut. We can create shortcut. Yes. Okay. On desktop. Great. Photos. Shortcut. Ink. Photo shortcut. Catastrophic failure. Cannot. Nice try. And okay, so Paint 3D. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so let's try it again. Open with. Paint. I don't see Paint 3D. Okay, don't see it. No, this is locked down. Let's see. Sure. God damn it, bro. It's just a headache. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna convert them all to PNG. Really, I don't want to deal with this. Okay. Um, let's do group by type and field by details. It's going to be a long process. I love this program. File converter, just on the desktop. Okay, and then we can delete all of them. Let's do like this. Problem solved. Let's refresh. Okay. I see. So it's clear that I do not want that. Wait. Couldn't I just save them? Wasn't that a better idea? It saves a web page. Yeah. Because it's an SVG. I understand. Okay. Well, in that case, uh, graph timer lock. Graph timer lock. Come on. Come on. Why is it not working? Can I not go anymore? Okay. Finally. Where's the lock? Grab timer lock. Okay. Awesome. Grab timer. Okay. So I'm going to paste it here. And yeah, I'm gonna let the AI do that. In a Y section. Let's do the other one as well then, while we're at it. Oh no, let's do. Yeah, no, let's do because I'm gonna go 6 SVGs. So what are the other ones? Um, stock. Okay, let's go do stock. Copy, fix. Stock, copy, fix. Okay. Where's the stock? Great. Let's see. You gotta be kidding me. It broke the entire. What? I have no idea what happened there. Uh, it looked like it replaced stuff. Okay, I will provide it to identify elements that need to be replaced. I will return an appropriate size for the images, considering with the image tags. Okay. Okay, so here we have one. Play video. Okay. With full, we say, does the file exist? Source assets is just in the, yeah, source is wrong linking. The linking uh, no, it is right actually. Hmm. Okay, we are here in the components folder. So we have to get out of that. So that means that we have to do this. Let's go to the clock one. That's a severe mistake, by the way, of the AI. Luckily, it's a free model. Okay. Okay, let's go to the graph again. And I did something naughty. Uh, okay, awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. The model is gonna exhaust as well, I think. Top level security. This is dumb. This is... Anyways. Oh, it's so dumb. It's so dumb. So that's first. Let's go to the graph again. H10, W10. That's what you wanted, right? Oh, I should be in the next one. Okay. There also seems to be one broken. Not sure which one it is. It's stock, fix. There's an image on top of the other image. It seems. It's really struggling. Edit successful. Oh well. It failed to apply these changes. Wil je even, jij? Maar er komen van die dingen binnen, lieve schat. Dat gaat niet. Can I go back? Because I don't like this change. Okay, we're gonna do it ourselves because the AI is choking like a goblin. How many instances we have? I see. It's just not responding. Okay. Okay. This takes longer than expected. Way longer than expected. Seems that graph is the only different one. Let's see. Play video. Graph. Why is he Let's show why the one is different. Okay. So we're gonna replace width with 32 pixels to width 28 pixels for each of them. Let's see. That's better. Now we have a little bit of an issue, so on top of each I think what happened is that instead of having the BG Gray 500, we can say border for border 1, border background, gray 500. Okay, the border. Oh, we can just say, okay. So instead of this one, background, we can say this one. And we can also say P2. Oh, wait. Background. So then we're gonna say border background gone. And we're gonna say P2. Okay, there's also different sizes. That's pretty fucked up. You didn't remove it. Save it. Okay. Border gray 500, and it seems that the last one still has a background. And these ones. Okay. Let me see. What if I make this 64? I'm just checking. Okay. That is not a solution. I'm thinking. Okay. So a couple won't adjust, such as the graph. Okay. So I want to say padding y 0. Wait. Next one. Next. Padding y 0. Okay. I want to create this one. Let's go to graph. That won't work. I understand. That's a fine. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, let's go to clock. I see. Graph clock lock fix copy timer. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, the stock. Okay. Okay. Let's go to clock. There's no clock because there's a timer. Let's go to graph. Let's go to log. Let's go to fix. That took a really long time, like a good half hour. That wasn't. I'm not too happy about that. Hmm. Oh, I see. I see. I see. Yeah, I see. Element is missing end tag. I don't see an end tag problem. I see. I can add an extra end tag. No worries. Um, I'm fine with this. Ready to transfer your financial order for. Okay. Let's see which one that is. So let's go to view CTA section. Okay. CTA section. Start the 14-day trial. I'm fine with that. So the image is a little bit rendered a little bit small. Um, how about this? Doesn't respond. Rounded, waitful, flex center, waitful, rounded. width 2400. Let's go to save as. Um, okay, CTA image. And why are you saving it as everything? That's a bit stupid. Okay, CTA image. PNG. Assets. Okay. It's like twice as big. I think the whole thing can be bigger. Like 7 even. It's even bigger. Well, the height is bigger. Okay, we can work on that a little bit later. Let's add the logo to the navigation and call it a day. We've been programming for a while, and I've been programming in the morning as well. So um, let's see where the PNG is of the here it is, logo. Okay, copy. Not really. Is there an other map that I was looking for? No. Okay, since I cannot find it, it's probably here. It's not. How about this one? Here. Let's go to the navigation with an N. And we have an SVG here. I don't want to have this SVG. I want to have an image. Image is going to source is going to be assets and then logo.png. Why don't I see it? Logo. It's not this one. Logo identify. I'm pretty sure it's not that one. Yeah. Why is it not there? Why didn't it show? That is the first question. Okay, it can work on the this one. Identify. Okay, mine can actually be bigger. So what we can do then is say width 120. I like it this way. Gap 2. Awesome. So let's go to the index. And we have like a certain favicon. We don't want to have that. We want to have logo.png. Okay, so we have that logo also here. Right? Okay. Great, we'll fix it later. We'll fix it later. This one looks good. Actually, the footer looks pretty good. Actually, very surprised. Because I'm using the different one. Damn it. Let's go to the footer then. In this case, footer section. Let's go back 2 times. Okay. Let's go to the footer. Let's delete this SVG, this stupid ass SVGs. Great, great. Now we can work on the other ones later. But yeah, the page pretty much looks done. We need to replace some images, but I'm very happy about the result up to now. And yeah, it's working pretty well. Right? We made a good software. It's looks very good. We have a couple more fixes to do, but it's like little fixes for this page. Let's check the feature page. Not a lot of fixes as well. Just a lot of replacing of images. Let's push it. So, um, git commit uh, fixes spacing and more um, page. Okay. Git commit. No changes. Added to commit. Okay. Git push. Everything's up to date. Well, if everything's up to date, why are you not responding? Push. Great. Oh, GitHub Desktop is such a breeze, actually. Okay, sync from main. Okay, so we have pretty much some fixes. Well, we have a lot of mobile fixes to do, right? So, like, look at this, right? That doesn't make any sense, right? Also, the spacing in a mobile doesn't make any sense. This also doesn't make sense. So yeah. But I'm very happy about this. What the hell? Wait. Wait. That's because of the what? Ah, okay. Okay. A lot of fixes, at least. Great. I'm done with this shit. See you guys later.